Hi, I'm Jane Peyton. I'm the principal of the School of Booze. I'm in one of my favourite London pubs, the Victoria in Paddington. Today's tutorial is about sour beers. How do they become sour? Sour beers fall into two categories: kettle sours, beers like Berliner Weissbier or Goza, and to get them sour you add lactobacillus bacteria into the kettle as the beer is being brewed. With lambic beers, that's a Belgian style of sour beer, it's wild yeast that ferments the beer, and then bacteria or microflora living in the wood that the beer is aged in that gives the sourness. Lambic beers include styles like Goza, not to be confused with Goza, which is a German style, and we also get Faro, and some of the fruit beers in Belgium, Kriek and Frambozen, also have a lambic base, not all of them though. Now, sour beers are a great thing to have with food. They lift the richness of the food, they're a really good counterbalance to sweet things and to spicy things as well. If you've never had a sour beer, but you like the taste of grapefruit or balsamic vinegar, then sour beers are for you. You also get lots of tannins in them if the beer has been aged in wood, and those are very good with food as well. Try a sour beer, it may change your life. Here at the School of Booze, we do our homework at the pub. These are the textbooks. It's actually the same book, just a different title and a different cover. You can buy them from my website, and I'll send you a signed copy. Cheers!